That will take a long time. Have you started again? Okay. So everything we'll be doing this morning, you will see it on the screen. So like my friend and brother said, there are people that this is what they live with, or this is what they live, their source of livelihood. This is their only source of income, right? So I trust that the Lord will help us to be quick. And if you have any question at any point, please ask. Not at any point, allow us to finish first. Thank you. So this is the first thing we'll do now. We are having 2 cameras, and we want these 2 cameras to come up on this. So this is our indoor camera, and this is our outdoor camera, right? So both cameras will be coming up on this monitor. It's not a rocket science. And this is our RJ45. We'll be making use of it. This was the one I did when I was doing a practical at home, but I will take it off so that we can do something fresh. So let me just. So please pay attention. This will help you. People are paying a whole lot to learn this, and I'm serious. I'm serious. People are paying a whole lot to learn this thing that we're about teaching us. Yeah. So now he said something that this is more like a 2-in-1 cable. This is for the video, and this is for what? The power. This is for the power. This is for the video, and this is for the power. So watch how we'll make this work. Now there is something they call BNC that he didn't mention. This is what they call. This is a BNC. So this is what we plug to our camera here, to our DVR. This is what BNC. This is what BNC. What is the meaning of BNC? I'll tell you the meaning later. I don't. It's just an acronym. I don't know what that full meaning is, though. But this is a BNC, right? And then this is a power cable. So this is what we'll do first, so that we can be fast with what we are doing, right? So I'll be doing this one while he'll be doing the other one, so you can watch either of both of them. Okay. Or you come. Yeah.
Marvelous.
Come. Sorry. Come and stay here with us. So, just this is the 2 cable we're working with. Just this cable and this cable, right? So you can just keep this one. We won't use this one now, right? So what I'm doing here is what you should be doing with that one. Okay, beautiful. So now this is the first thing we do. We carry our BNC. Hold your own BNC. We carry our BNC. Right? We carry our BNC and then we connect it to this one. This is for the video, right? So now tell me what to do on that. So are you guys seeing what we are doing at all? Please pay attention, please. I'm begging us again. Please. So one of it is positive and the other one is negative. So the positive is going to the middle one, while the negative will be going to the one that is more like a copper, right? So So when you join them like that, the next thing you do is you screw them, right? Are you guys following me? Yes. You screw them. Sorry, you don't screw them. You sellotape them, but you ensure they don't like have a contact with. If not, if they do, it will have what partial contact. And then you will start sparking, and that will not be nice for you. Okay, so I think I've just done this one, okay, right? So this, what I do here is the same thing I will do for this other one, right? What I've just successfully done here is the same thing I will do for this other one. But before I come to this other one, I will also put my power. I'll connect my power to this other part. As you can see, this part have not been connected, right? This part have not been connected. So this is positive and negative. This is positive and this is negative. So you connect your positive to the positive side of your cable, and then you sellotape it. Then you connect the negative to the negative side of the what? The cable, and you also want sellotape it. So you can have this. So you ensure you sellotape them. It's very important. It's really, really important. So the skill is not really for guys. Like I said, ladies do some of this skill abroad, and they collect good money. I'm serious about it. They collect good money. So we'll try and be a bit faster so that the next facilitator can come up. So now this is for my video and this is for my what? The power, right? So I will do the same thing on this one, but not totally the same thing. I will just do that for the video. The power, I'll connect the power to this power supply box. Do you understand that? Yes. Now this one will be going to the camera, right? Then this one, this other power, let me explain. This power supply box now, right? This power cord will be coming to this part of this camera, right? So if you need to connect this power to something to bring it up. So the other part of it, this other part, can we see it? This other part now will be connected to the power supply box. Thank you. So this is called a balloon, and yes, a video balloon. You use this for long range. Yeah, for long range. You use this for long range. Yeah, if there's a long range, you use your video balloon, and it has negative and positive, just the way the normal BNC has negative and positive. Do you get my point? Do you get my point? it has negative and positive. Yeah. So let's do. The name is Marvelous, right? We'll see how Marvelous also help us to bring this to work. Now this is our positive. So when you look at the video balloon, it has a plus. Look at it clearly. It has a plus and a minus sign. That is a negative and a positive sign, right? So I'll put this to my plus, thank you, which is the positive part of it. Now, I'm trying to put the negative to this side. So in all you do, you just make sure that they don't touch each other. Okay. So now, this one now that I've done, let me just plug it to my DVR. Let me just plug it to my DVR first. So this is my DVR. So when you plug it, I'm done with this one. So this other part of it, right? I want to plug it to the camera itself. And this is my camera. We're not watching. This is my camera. I'll plug it to my camera. And this is the power. I'll plug the power to the camera. I'll plug the BNC to the camera. You see, right? Yeah. So now on this part, the only thing I'll plug here is just the BNC to this part. And then I'll plug the power. I'll be plugging the power to this power supply box because you need power to bring up your camera. Am I making sense? Yes. You need power for your camera to come up. So what will I do now? I want to plug what do they call it? I want to plug the power to the power supply box. And this is what we do. How you doing? Yeah. So that is our power supply box. So now you take your screw to loosen it a bit so that you can put, and on this there is negative and there's also positive sign. There is a negative sign on this and there's a positive sign on this. Yeah. So have that. But are we following? Like, are we understand what we're doing like this? Yes, sir. Yeah. It's what anyone can do. So I'm doing that so that it will be firm. You get, so that it will be firm and neatly installed. So we're trying to connect the power supply. Yes, positive and negative. Beautiful. So I'll also do the same thing for this one now. I'm trying to connect my positive and negative. So here's my. So this is the red, and this red is what? This red is what? Positive. Thank you. This red is what? Positive. Meaning we're following. I hope you're understanding what you're doing as well. And then we're about to plug our negative. Okay? Are we still following? Are we still together? Let me scroll this. You can see it's firmly installed. It's firmly installed. So what do we do next now? Now they have connected their camera. Can we see this?
Yes.
The camera have been connected. So the next thing we do now is to see that they come up on our television, right?
Yes.
One house, one house. The next thing to do is to see that they come up on the television. So now this is my code for the DVR. So I want the DVR to come up, right? So this is my power for the DVR. So I'm plugging it down here, right? And I'm also plugging it to this. So we can plug everything we want to plug, right? If there is no connection from the DVR to the monitor, it will not come up. Am I right?
Yes.
So we need this is what they call HDMI cord, right? This is our HDMI cord. So if you don't, you can use a HDMI cord or use the VGA cord. What is a HDMI cord? So this is what are we seeing? Well, we can see display. Well, are we seeing any camera here?
No.
Why? Who can tell me the reason why? You said? Who can tell me the reason? There's a reason why. Eh? What have I not done? I've not done something. We're not following. I have not plugged the power supply, and this is the power that feeds the camera. So now the next thing that we want to do now is to plug our power supply. Can we see? So who can tell me the reason why the other camera is not? We've not plugged it behind. We've not plugged it behind, right? There's only one that has been plugged here. So where's the other port? This is it, right?
Yes.
Are you seeing yourself? Can we see? Do we see? Yeah. So we are done with this. So with this, do we have any question? Do we have any question? No, right? So that will be all for